Welcome to our Generative AI series. Today, we are diving into text classification and categorization. This is all about organizing content automatically using the power of modern AI. So, what exactly is text classification? In simple terms, it is the process of assigning predefined tags or categories to text based on its content. Think of it like sorting mail at a post office. You look at a letter, understand where it needs to go, and place it in the correct bin, like spam, inbox, or social updates. Historically, machine learning required huge datasets of labeled examples to learn these categories. It was rigid and took a long time to train. Generative AI flips this on its head. It is pre-trained on the entire internet, so it is flexible and ready to use immediately. It understands context without needing thousands of specific examples. The biggest advantage is how AI understands meaning. Traditional keyword searches just look for specific words. For example, if someone says a movie was a waste of time, but they loved the popcorn, a keyword search might see the word loved and think it is a positive review. Generative AI understands the sentence structure and realizes the core sentiment is actually negative. This leads us to a concept called zero-shot classification. This means the AI can classify text into categories it has never been explicitly trained on. You simply give it the text, provide a list of possible categories in plain English, and the model uses its general knowledge to pick the best fit with high confidence. There are countless ways to use this. You can detect spam emails, analyze customer sentiment, label news articles by topic, route support tickets to the right department, identify languages, or even moderate content to keep online communities safe. Let's look at a customer support example. A user sends an email about being charged twice. The AI analyzes the intent behind the text, recognizes it as a billing issue, and automatically routes it to the billing team, bypassing the general support queue entirely. The benefits are clear. You get incredible speed to deployment because you don't need to train a model from scratch. It is highly flexible. If you need a new category, just change your prompt. Plus, it works across multiple languages and captures human nuance far better than older systems. However, it is not magic. Using large models can be more expensive than simple scripts. There is also slightly higher latency, meaning it takes a moment to process. And very rarely, models can hallucinate or make up categories if not guided correctly. To summarize, text classification helps you organize unstructured data effortlessly. Generative AI makes this accessible through zero-shot learning, focusing on true meaning rather than just keywords. While you should keep cost and speed in mind, it is a powerful tool for automating workflows like support and moderation.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.